Again, my potato cannon and the BB. I'm the BB gun canister. I've already put the canister gun in here, and I got some paintballs. I'm trying something new. I got these paintballs. I'm gonna shoot at that spool over there and see if it works. Here goes the paintballs. Oh, drop one. My Aquanet.
Gotta load it up.
Oh, and right guard works too, but it tends to not fire. It has to misfire because the little prongs that you have inside the combustion chamber get wet and don't really work. But let's see if this works. 3, 2, 1, fire.
Sick. Let's go see what our damage is. Oh, hell yeah! We fucked shit up, dude.
Oh my god.
Dude. Holy. We're alright. We're good. Nothing to see here.
And that was my experiment, and it worked great.